Stand up.
Hey, do you think we'll be able to convince your father to be Mamutones?
Hold it firmly and don't pull too much.
What actually links the dark and heavy Mamutones to the vibrant, colorful Isoadores remains a mystery. They unleash a kind of trance during which all Mamoyada vibrates in resonance. This is the much-awaited moment when each individual finds new momentum, drawing on the very sources of their identity.
Mamoyada is the village of the Mamutones and the Isoadores. Everyone here identifies with the Mamutones. People often ask us, but who makes you do this? How do you manage to wear the bells on your shoulders and jump around with them? This requires such incredible physical effort. We're driven by passion. Either it's passion or you're totally crazy. There's no other answer. Of course we feel the fatigue, but the urge to dress up and participate in the parade is definitely stronger. 3 straps are too loose.
We'll get to that later.
Okay, but pull hard on the other side afterward. It's not only about wearing bells and parading in public. It's also about participating in something magical and mysterious and perpetuating the mystery.
I started as a child when I was about 6. I was a Mamutones for a year, then became an Isoadores. I've never stopped since. When I'm getting ready, the first thing I feel is overwhelming emotion, because I know I'm doing something very beautiful. We'll all meet back here, okay? The best moment is when the whole group is ready, when everyone is dressed, and I line them all up at the headquarters of our association to make sure that everything is perfect.
It's an odd feeling when we put the mask on, securing it with the scarf, and we become transformed. The people who are looking at me and saw Pino up to now can no longer see who's behind the mask. Whether it's you or somebody else, everyone sees a Mamutones, and you feel like a Mamutones. You're a Mamutones among the Mamutones.
When I begin leading the group, the most important thing to me is to create a beautiful parade to honor the tradition. This is the exact moment when you have to make a good impression. Good evening. Welcome. Welcome.
The evocative force of the masks The solemn nature of the rituals and the generosity of the people draw visitors and researchers from around the world each year. They flock here to experience the rhythm of the Mamutones steps and to fully immerse themselves in the mysterious rituals.
Participating in the parade is really hard work. It's not only the weight of the bells that's tiring, but also the inability to breathe deeply. The leather straps are very tight, which makes it difficult to breathe, as does the mask as well. You have to remember that the St. Anthony parade can sometimes last for 5 hours. It's a really healthy fatigue, though, and we've chosen to do this. We'd be a lot more tired if we were wearing bricks, for example. These are bells. How beautiful.
Why are the Isoadores throwing their ropes towards the women? According to an ancient tradition, this represents giving seed, giving fertility to the whole community. This is why they say that being lassoed by the Isoadores brings you luck, as does being touched by any object the masks are carrying. What? What? White or red? No! White or red? Of course, the masked characters are the main protagonists here. Yet the entire community is invited to gather round the fire, and even visitors who come for St. Anthony feel a need to immerse themselves in the ritual. The archaic nature of these rituals can be seen in the Mamutones' attitude, sound and dance, and in the way their foot strikes the ground, representing an appeal for the vegetation to wake up.
Please have some. Please have some. No, the Mamutones are served first, the others afterwards.
Cakes and wine are distributed to those around each fire, as the people of Mamuada would like visitors to feel that they are deeply involved in the events. This is what people like. This is what they are looking for when they come here. Today, very few communities in the world do this, Mamuada being one of the rare ones that do.
The Mamutones have always been a part of my existence. I think they're all beautiful. All my children are Mamutones, even my grandchildren. I'm happy. My sons are happy, and my grandchildren too. They are proud of their mother and their grandmother. I don't need anything else. I am filled with happiness with my family and the whole village.
All through the night, the villagers and visitors continue to weave the joyous web of meetings and discussions, strolling from bonfire to their heart's content, until they are totally exhausted.